Good morning, children. In today's session, I will recite a poem from our English textbook, The Quarrel. So, all of you open page 146 in the textbook. The name of the poem is The Quarrel. Before starting the poem, let us learn about the poet. Look at the picture, children. She is Eleanor Fortune. Okay? The poet of the poem. About the poet, Eleanor Fortune was born on 13th February 1881 in England and died on 5th June 1965 at the age of 84. She wrote poems, stories, and plays for children. She has written about her family and her childhood with her brother Harry in a nursery in the 90s. She also wrote the well-known children's hymns Morning Has Broken. Children, listen carefully. Introduction of the poem. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Sometimes they quarrel without any reason. In this poem, the poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between a brother and his sister begins over a small issue and how a small kind act ends the quarrel. Okay? Now I will recite the poem and explain. The quarrel. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. See, children, here what happened. The poet tells that she quarreled with his brother always without any reason. She means that the quarrel started with one thing, but soon they were fighting about everything. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned back. So, children, it started with a small issue, but the end of it is strong. In my way, I am right and he was wrong. But in his way, he was right and I was wrong. Because of that quarrel, we hate each other. Then suddenly, my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come on. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. See, children, here. At last, my brother hit me hard on my back in a friendly manner and said, "Let us forget everything and be together." So, finally, in this poem, a brother and sister have a fight. Then the brother realizes that it is better to be friends and asks his sister to forget about their silly quarrel. Understood? See, children, here word meanings of the poem. Quarrel, fight with words. Siblings, brothers or sisters. One thing led to another. Things happened one after another. Fell out, quarreled. Slight, something small and not important. Dumped, gave a hard, friendly pat. Go on, keep on quarreling. Okay? Let's coming back to the textbook grammar. Page number 147 in the textbook. See children, here write down words that rhyme with these pairs. Brother, another, another word, mother. Brother, another, mother. Same rhyming. That means same pronunciation, different spelling. Okay? Slight, right, night. So remaining two, try on your own children. That is today's your homework. And one more thing, our English portion completed. Understood? Textbook grammar, textbook lessons and textbook poems, everything completed in the textbook work. Understood? Children, observe the contents of the textbook. First lesson, second lesson and poem also completed. Theme 2. Third lesson completed. Fourth lesson deleted and poem also deleted here. As per the 30% portion deleted. In the theme 3, fifth lesson deleted. I explained the lost camel, sixth lesson, and poem also deleted here. In theme 4, seventh lesson completed, eighth one completed, and ninth one also completed, poem also completed. Now 10th lesson deleted here, 11th lesson completed, the quarrel poem also completed. In the total portion children, 3 lessons deleted and 2 poems deleted. Okay? So that's all for today's session children. Everyone recite the poem and send a video in our group. Thank you everyone.